Hello, in this video I will show you how can you archive products of specific vendors. So here we are using Smart Bulk Delete Products app. So I will show you how this apps looks. So when you are creating a new job, you should select here your vendors. So let's say our vendor is Adidas and I want to archive all the products which are out of stock. I can also select here specific dates, but for this example I will not select it. So let's say preview products. Okay, here we see all the products that under vendor Adidas and out of stock. So what we can do is basically just to archive them. So when we click on archive, job will run in the background and it will archive all these 21 products. Okay, let's wait until this job finish. Yeah, it's finished. Now we can check again. Again, if I say Adidas this time, without any filtering options, I see all these products now archived. And here basically you can use all these different filters, like you can choose different statuses, you can say draft products, or you can select multiple vendors here, just put a comma between them. You can select here collection, let's say summer collection, and then you can simply select if you want to archive or delete out of stock products, or just all products inside summer collection. Let's preview them. Okay, this time also you have option to delete only product images if you need that functionality, or you just can simply delete them. In this example, you can just again archive all these products. Yeah, our job will start and finish. Yeah, and all our products are archived. So that's how you can simply use this app to handle this boring task. Thank you very much for watching.